Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 9th April 2026, Nifty index opened with a massive gap up of around 730 points and crossed 24,000 levels, with a comeback of the bulls on account of easing geopolitical concerns. It resiliently held on to the higher levels throughout the session and closed near its higher band with gains of around 870 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and has been making higher highs from the last 3 sessions and recouped all of its losses of the last 3 weeks. India VIX was down by 20% to 19.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio remains unchanged at 1.13. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,500 to 24,500 levels, while immediate range could be in between 23,800 to 24,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,054 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,578 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 21%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,800 for the next up move towards 24,600, while supports have shifted higher to 23,600. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,500 for the next up move towards 57,000 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Shriram Finance, Bandhan Bank, Samvardhan Motherson, Amber, Lodha, PNB Housing, Aisha Motors, L&T, Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge, LIC and Maruti, while some weakness could be seen in Coal India, Astral, Nalco and Tech Mahindra. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.